Phosphorus is an important nutrient in the diets of both plants and animals since it helps in the process of storing energy, or ATP, and in building up bones and teeth. Phosphorus, however, is primarily found in phosphates contained in rocks. The phosphorus cycle begins with the rock. As time goes by and the rock undergoes constant exposure to the elements, it slowly but surely erodes into a fine powder called sediment. In this case, the rock is eroding into sediment by constant exposure to water. Here is the animal looking for food to consume which contains phosphates. In animals, phosphates act as an important component for skeletal systems and as part of the process of storing ATP, or energy, for later use. The animal retains its supply of phosphates until it either excretes it or dies and decomposes. This increased growth is rendered moot by the next part of the phosphorus cycle, when a passing animal eats the plant and takes the phosphates for itself. The sediment-laden water is eventually absorbed by the surrounding soil. It sits there, phosphates and all, until it is absorbed, phosphates and all, by the roots of a plant. Here the phosphates get to work with helping the plant to grow. Phosphates are, in fact, one of the major factors in plant growth, to the point where humans often use fertilizers containing phosphates on their farmland. Here is the animal as he is dying and decomposing and releasing phosphates back into the soil. In either case, the phosphates are now part of the soil again, where as time goes on, they'll eventually be carried away by water flow into the ocean. There, the sediments in the soil will compress together for thousands of years until it eventually becomes a rock once again. And here we have Joe, reborn as a new rock and ready to begin his new life. Here is the rock, absorbing the sun and enjoying its new habitat. And thus the phosphorus cycle ends and begins anew.